I am so excited about this week's project. We're using all 108-inch wide backing to give a front and a back to this great baby quilt. I can't wait to show you how to make it. So we have these great new 108-inch backs here at Missouri Star that we designed this fun tossed star pattern, and I thought it'd be really fun to use these for just a regular quilt top and back because you get more. It's 108 inches wide, obviously. And so to make this project, you are going to need 1 yard of the white 108, 3/4 yards of black, a 1/2 yard of the light teal. You're going to need 1/4 yard each of your dark teal and light and dark gray. And remember, every single one of these cuts is 108 inches wide, not standard 45-inch fabric. And so now I'm going to put a diagram up on the screen. I want you guys to pause because this is really all about the cutting, and it's going to have the measurements of each of these sections. And so you're going to want to take the time and go ahead and get your cutting out of the way, and then once you're done with that, I will meet you at the sewing machine and we'll get started. So I have all of my cutting done and stacked up here at the machine for me. It's going to make it go really fast. I also, you might notice, switch back to my Baby Lock Accomplish. This is a really fast straight stitch machine, and since I'm just doing straight seams, the faster the machine, the better. So I'm using this today. Keep that in mind if you have a couple options at home, and let's go ahead and get started. So our first piece that is the center is our 12-inch square, and we're going to begin by adding this teal rectangle along one side. So I'll line those up and zoom down. Now if you have your iron close at hand, you can press in between. I actually think that makes it easier on a top like this, especially as it gets bigger, to just do one seam at a time. So I'm going to take the time to press in between. And so now this is going to rotate, and I'm going to pull in this gray. I have my sizes pinned just in case they get out of order. So I'll add the gray to this side. Press it again. All right, so now that I've added a few, let's bring this over to the table here because I want you guys to see, here is our next piece, and there's really only one place that this will fit. See, it's too long to go up here. I don't want to have it right next to this teal, so I know it's going to come on the other side. And so initially you're just kind of rotating this block and adding it to the other side. But again, follow along with that diagram and just work your way through the pile. I'm going to go ahead and add this, and I'm just going to sit here and we'll speed up the video and we'll add one after the other until we get this whole top done. comes together so fast. It just might be the fastest quilt top you'll ever make. Let's be honest, it's pretty quick. And so what is so great, here is the front, and all of the leftover strips that you have from these cuts, you turn into your backing. And so that is this right here. Isn't that so cool? I just love it. I think it's so fun. So from that yardage, you get your quilt top and back. I quilted the whole thing with Baptist fan. It measures 53 by 55. Here's that backing. It turns out so good. So quick and easy. I hope you enjoyed this and it made you think of your 108s a little bit differently. I'll see you next time on At Home. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching At Home. We're so excited to be almost 1 million quilters strong here at Missouri Star. And so if you haven't already joined our family, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified of all of our future tutorials. And we'll see you soon.